Hello friends, you must have heard about coronavirus, which started as a localized epidemic. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, his droplets can land into a healthy person's mouth, nose, or eyes and move into the lungs. This virus uses the protein spike like a key to enter into the cell in your body, through which it could insert into the ACE receptor molecule on the healthy cell membrane like a lock and key, where it starts replicating and eventually destroys the cell. The basic symptoms of coronavirus are coughing, fever, pneumonia, shortness of breath, and headache. To cure these symptoms, many traditional remedies are being used, like having lozenges, gargling with the salt water, and drinking hot water. But these are not so effective for the long term and the prevention. So, as an alternative, herbal mucosa throat spray has been used, which is highly effective and with no side effects. Herbasol throat spray is a mucoadhesive polymer-based drug delivery system which delivers the metered dose by the means of an evacuator. Now, how does it work? When the throat spray is being sprayed into the throat, it will form a fine film on the mucous membrane in the throat, which will prevent the virus from attaching itself to the mucous membrane and thus inhibiting its penetration into the cell. Now, the main components of the throat spray are echinacea, licorice, and the propolis, which are mixed with many essential oils. Now, the solution is been mixed with the mucoadhesive polymers such as the chitosan, carrageenan polymer, HPMC, and the Poloxamer 407. The film that is formed will remain intact for 3 to 4 hours. It is advised to spray 2 pumps at a time for 3 to 4 times a day. Now, the question is why to make Herbasol throat spray? As there are no vaccines still approved for coronavirus, this spray can be proved very effective as a preventive measure. As it has no side effects, it can also be used for any viral infection other than the corona. It can also be an immunity booster and increase the flow of saliva towards the throat. Thus, prevention is always better than cure. This product can also be customized into different flavors such as honey, ginger, lemon, and peppermint according to the customer's choice. Hope you have learned something new today. Stay home and stay safe. Hello friends.